good evening or magandang gabi. It's Friday night and our topic for tonight, let's learn more Tagalog phrases. If you wanna say, you're too much, masyado ka na. Masyado ka na. Masyado ka na. You're too much. And if you wanna say, not so much, hindi masyado. Hindi masyado. Not so much. Enough. Tama na. Tama na. Enough. Soon, malapit na. Malapit na. So, before I say good night and bye-bye, let's review our Tagalog phrases for tonight. We have not so much or hindi masyado, you're too much, you're too much. Masyado ka na, masyado ka na. Enough, tama na, enough. And soon, malapit na. So, that's it for tonight. Also, you can find those words down below with the examples. So, good night.